Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this AINOPE 240 watts USB-C to USB-C cable. That's the highest power rating which I have ever seen so far. Comes in this large envelope. Here's also some description in the back, even for support. The envelope was a little bit hard to open. Just make sure that you're not cutting into the cables. So here we have them. They look like they are really good quality, solid build. Braided cable here. Lot of wires to remove. A little bit too much for my taste. It's nice to have them secured, but unwinding wires for 5 minutes. Okay, so here we have it. Of course, it's a little bit stiff, maybe a little bit more stiff than others, but of course we have also a thick wire inside. We have this nice protection on both sides. Make sure that you buy the right cable. It's an awesome thing for some devices if we have this 90-degree angle, but for some devices, of course, it would be better to have this port here. Let's say for this phone here, I think the OnePlus, it's an awesome thing, so we can have it secured on our knees and not damaging the cable. That's not possible with such a wire. So both of them have their advantages and disadvantages, but for me, for charging a phone, this is the best solution here. So I have here the OnePlus 10 Pro and the original charger. So let's see if we can get some super VOOC, super fast charge here. Let's plug it in. Let's see what it says. Yes, super VOOC charge. Okay, usually we need this special OnePlus Pro wire, but it also works with this cable here. Absolutely awesome. Of course, we can use also any other charging devices. Let's say this VoltMe Revo. It's not super VOOC, but also very fast charge. And with the built-in eMark chip, it's of course no problem to have support for all the fast charge standards here. Yeah, by the way, this is 1 day later and I've been doing a lot of tests and everything worked really good with these two cables. Here I have even 140 watts power supply and I've increased the voltage to 20 volts, which is the highest which I can do here. Of course, with these wires we could do more. So let's increase the power here a bit. Unfortunately, I can't show you 240 watts, but I can increase the maximum on 20 volts is 100 watts, so we can increase that here, as you can see. Try to go a little bit closer here to 100 watts. I don't want to go higher, but you can see we have the 100 watts here, we have the 97 watts also here, so there's not much loss here in these cables. And I mean, we are talking about two quite long USB-C cables here. Yeah, now we have even 99 watts, so you can see it's super close here, almost really no loss. And yesterday I've increased that even to 110, 120, but I'm not going back because after that it had stopped yesterday. It was too much for this device, but obviously not for the cables. So I would say everything looks really, really good, super nice. Powerful cable, solid build. I love also the plugs here. Plugs have been working for all of the devices, even for my narrow USB-C port here. I mean, they are not super narrow, but narrow enough, I would say, for most of the devices. So definitely full recommendation from my side, and so you can buy them directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.